Hi there, so this video I'm going to show you how to put this product together from SaCrafters LLC. So this is called the toolbox number 2. The reason she did like number 1, number 2 because she wants to know how many styles she already did it. So this one will be the box number 2. So you will get the package like this. Just take it out from the bag and I will show you how to put it together. Alright, so you will get this one. This is the centerpiece, so that'll be the handle, and you receive the bottom piece, and you will get 2 pieces of it. That's exactly the same. And you will get 2 pieces of it. It's a divider, exactly the same. And you will get 2 pieces of this. Okay. Now, what you want to do is you start with this one. Sometimes you will receive the one half didn't punch out. You should simply punch it out. So you want to put this together. Like this one, and you will grab, okay, maybe start with this one, the divider. Alright, so I'm going to put down right there on this. So this is half the tab for the hole there. You put that one right there. I want you to put everything together without gluing first. You want to make sure the right way that you put. Okay, so now this is the bottom piece, so we're gonna put that one in that slot. If one side is not lined up, that you have to rotate, flip over. Okay, so that one look like right. And now you wanted to start this one, so that have, let me see, the hole for the tab there. Alright. This is very easy to put together, not that hard. This is the way how I like to put it together. See? So with piece go with piece, is it you to glue to put it together. But if you want to use designer paper, it's for my personal style. I like to I hear the paper that I like first around inside out, especially inside if you want pattern paper. So I just simply paint, but be careful with your tab. I did have a processing video update project how to put it together, like processing video, like maybe I'm not sure, it's 6 or 7 video how you put this toolbox together. So start like painting, put everything together. So if you don't want to put wash the whole thing, you can look for the finished project. Alright, so be careful that when I told you guys, when you be careful with the tab, it decide to fidget the plain one, not with the pen and ink anything. If you pen on the tab too thick, it will not fit in the box. So that's it, this video for instruction for the toolbox number 2. Thank you for keep watching, and see you on next video for the next project instruction. Bye bye.